Today we will read the chapter Lost Child of Ninth Class. This chapter is written by Mulkraz Anand. Today I will tell you only the summary of this chapter. Mulkraz Anand has represented village scene in this chapter. In this chapter, actually he has represented child psychology. How a child mind is work when he is with his parents and when he is separated from his parents. And in this story what happened, story start, the whole family is going to a spring season festival, and the child, very curious, and whatever he see on the way he want to possess each and everything. When he was going, he saw a sweet shop, and he demanded to his parent that, father, please buy these sweet for me. But father said, no beta, first we will go to the temple and we will worship there. After that we will buy thing for you. And then they keeps going on, and again when they reach to the next stall, there was a balloon. Child again request to his father, and this time again his father rejected his request. He say the same answer, no beta, first we will go to the temple. And in this way, whatever the child see on the way, uh, garland, flowers, so many other things, and each time same answer he get from his father, no. And child is curious when he saw a butterfly in the way, and he want to catch that butterfly, so he move uh, uh, backward to catch the butterfly. And he lost his way. Then his father and mother both were those were monitoring to the child, and he shouted, beta, come here. And again they know that if they will not keep attention to the child, he will lost in the village. And child was also aware from this point. And they keeps going on, and when they reach on the roundabout, the child was now determined. He want to take the ride on the roundabout. He stubbornly said to his father that, father, I want to take a roundabout, I want to take swings. And but when he saw here and there, he realized that he has lost his way. His parents were not there. He realized now he has lost in the fear. He shouted, father, mother, but no one was there. And he started crying. And when he was crying, a strange person came here. And when he saw a small child was crying, he picked the child and he tried to pacify the child. He offered him sweets. He offered him garland, but child said, no, I want my father, I want my parents. The earlier these things he wanted to possess from his father. He wanted to get sweets, he wanted to get garland, he wanted to get flower. Now the stranger was offering these all things to the child, but now the child has not interest in such things. He only want his parents. Means such things are valuable when his parents were with him. It means child enjoy and child demand when his parents are with him. And Mulk Rajanand show that also show that in the family the father's order is a law. And when the father say no, and the child become angry, and the mother act as a buffer between the father and the son, and he divert the child attention. Divert the child attention to the bounty of nature. He say, mother says, beta, look at, there is butterfly, and he divert the attention. And in this way we can say that Mulkaraz Anand represent beautifully the picture of child psychology and the village scene. But the moral of the story is that child should not leave the finger of their parents, otherwise he will get in the same situation, especially small child. And the parents should also look after their children, and they should understand the child psychology, so that they can't stuck such type of situation.